download driver PIXMA, and you type the driver download, and please wait. I am search the official website for you. And this here official website, click here. I am like the download for official website, the website first download and not a virus driver, and update the driver. And this here is like operating system is this operating system for Windows and for Mac 12, and this here new driver Mac and new driver Linux. This video I am need step one. I am need show you the Windows driver is like here, and this here the new driver Windows for Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9 for one, Windows 7, Windows Server, and Windows not support Windows Vista. This for here, click for Linux, and this here is white. This here for Linux 11. Okay, this here for Linux driver 11, and for Linux driver 12. Okay, this here for driver Mac OS, and click here and you select your package driver for Mac OS. This video you need to download driver Windows 11, and this video for update Windows 11, update that release, and click for the Windows and click select your system Windows 11. Windows 11 Canon driver. Click here and please wait. This is the package for driver support for Wi-Fi, for scanner and printer, and this is your match support driver. I'm recommendation for you. You download a package setup. Okay, driver setup package for Windows 11. This year for release update, and click here for if you need download. Okay, outline. This field will download and install the driver need to set up and utilize your product. Okay, on complete you will be to install software and add-ons for your product functionality. This here for system requirement, and this here for Windows 11, and this here for setup instruction. Step one, you download and install, and step two, you download the file and for your location and your save, and you click this computer setting. Double click, double click the download AXA, and feel it will be compressed. The setup screen will be displayed below. Okay, this here instruction, and this here fill information. And if you need download, click here, click and download. This why. Okay, driver download. If you need install driver for your laptop, your folder, your printer, you open you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you click run. You double click for the driver and click run driver. Driver detect for automatic the cable. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. Share my video.